Isabella. Say hi. Say you baby. Nose. Nose. Eyes. Mouth.
Oh no.
Oh no, what's wrong? Where's your sister? Sister, yay. Hi, baby. Can Zoe have sisters? Oh, yay. Where's the baby? You baby, that's right. Can you say Isabella? Yeah, you said. You signed it too, but nobody could see that, could they? Say Isabella. Pretty cool. Say Isabella. Thank you. Say Isabella. Very good. Say thank you. Say mommy. Say daddy. Say EO. Get your hands up. Say Zoe.
Go Zoe.
Can
you say it? Say Zoe.
Say I love you.
I am.
Can you blow kisses? Very good, yes.
Oh my.
Where's your nose?
No.
Where's your eyes? Where's your mouth? Where's your hair? Yay! Say bye-bye.